Here's what's going on at the movies.
It's a class 4 apparition. It's okay, she seems peaceful.
The supernatural comedy Ghostbusters is back and features some of the funniest characters strapping on a proton pack. Experience Ghostbusters in IMAX 3D.
This is what I do. I'm an undercover narcotics agent, and I lie.
For suspense and drama, check out The Infiltrator, based on real-life events surrounding the biggest drug sting in history.
Drugs will not be tolerated.
Comedy, drama, and romance are all on display in Woody Allen's Café Society, about a young man swept up in the vibrant scene of 1930s Hollywood.
You ask politely, people listen.
And finally, let's find out what's hot in theaters this weekend with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you next time on Weekend Ticket.